When I've got a man-sized pork chop going, what I really love to do is double up on the pork quotient and do a bacon, apple, mustard slaw. So I'm gonna get my bacon rendering. Chop this down and make little cubes. And then I'm gonna toss that into my cast iron over medium heat. And I'm actually gonna hit it with just a little bit of olive oil to speed things up. And when you're making a salad, you don't wanna use all bacon fat because that'll solidify when it gets cold. So now, while our bacon is rendering and doing its thing, we're gonna get the rest of our slaw prepped. So I'm gonna start with a little bit of garlic. It's gonna be for our dressing. Then next, let's get our beautiful purple cabbage sliced up as thinly as possible. You want about a third to a half a head. Let's knock out this onion. Just gonna French this real quickly. Okay, over there. Now we're gonna make matchsticks out of this apple. Cut down, cut down. So, you know, don't sweat it if you're not getting perfect matchsticks. It's all going in the same bowl. And you know what? It's still gonna taste great. So just keep it cool. Keep rocking it out. Okay. All right, this bacon is just about done. Got one more thing to chop here. Some parsley that we're gonna finish this off with. Beautiful. I just turned this off, so we're gonna take it off the heat. With that bacon in there, we're gonna toss in the garlic and just give that a little swirl. Oh man, that smells good. Wow. And then while that's going in there, we're gonna start assembling this dressing. Nice hit of mustard, it's about a tablespoon, and then a good bit of salt, and one, probably tablespoon or two of red wine vinegar or apple cider vinegar, totally up to you. You can always add a little more later. And just stir that up. All right, so there's our beautiful dressing. Tasty town. Needs a little more salt. And actually, needs something sweet. Some maple syrup. Oh, that's gonna be awesome. All right, quickly integrate that. Give that a taste. Oh, yeah, okay. Now, I'm gonna toss in this beautiful red cabbage, onions, Frenched, apples, julienne or matchsticks, and just coat all of that beautiful slaw. Wonderful. I'm gonna finish this with a nice big hit of parsley. And now I'm gonna grill up some huge pork chops, because that's what that needs. See you guys later.